Hi, can you please shortly introduce yourself and your company?
Okay, my name is João Pimenta. I work at Steelplan in Braga, Portugal. Here we operate in the area of design, structural detail, manufacturing process. So we do the whole process. We do general consulting with the metalwork industry.
And are you using IDEA StatiCa in your daily work?
Yes, it's a mandatory tool. Once you start using it, you cannot leave it because there are certain types of connections that you can only analyze with a tool like IDEA StatiCa.
It's nice to hear.
Yeah, and it's true.
And what kind of features do you like the most about IDEA StatiCa?
Many of them, but to point one, I would say that the last updates that were made in the chatbot, it gives us a great advantage to work with other engineers that use different softwares than ours, and now we can have it all in one platform that is the chatbot. Yeah.
And what kind of projects you are currently working on?
We work mainly with the production facilities, warehouses, so industrial structures in general. We also work with retail shops like shopping malls. We've made hospitals, bridges, so a little bit of everything.
And is IDEA StatiCa a software you would recommend to other engineers?
Yes, definitely, because as I said before, to handle complex geometries, certain types of connections only with finite element methods, like IDEA Static uses, can make you analyze and do a good and optimize the connections and so on. Yeah.
Thank you for your feedback.
Welcome.